Milky Way, our galaxy. And there are lots of galaxies in the universe. And our galaxy is the small part of this huge universe. And our Earth is nothing but a tiny particle in this Milky Way. The Earth is moving around the Sun, which is nothing but a small star in this galaxy. In this tiny particle, India is a landmass which has a microscopical existence in this huge environment. But the history of our country is as big as the universe. There are lots of stories of our success and struggle. Since inception of our history, our soldiers are protecting us from the invaders of the world and bring us peaceful nights to sleep. They are our real avengers. I salute all the son of soils in the eve of Independence Day. And another avengers are our sportsperson who bring pride and honor from the world to the nation. They bring medals by competing with the world, not with arms, but with sportsman spirit. They help establish the fraternity in the world. On the eve of the August occasion of 75th anniversary of our Independence Day, I salute all my avengers and pay my reverence to them who bring medals to the nation after toiling and grueling their perspiration amongst the pandemic situations at Tokyo Olympic. It is the best honor-filled moment for our nation. Let's celebrate it with pride and honor and utter aloud, "We the Indian can do anything if we wish." Yes, we the Indian.